The devastation and flooding we're experiencing across Vermont is historic and catastrophic.
When historic floods hit Vermont in the summer of 2023, Vermonters were tested. Loss of life, homes washed away in minutes.
Get out of the truck!
Farmers' fields flooded, dreams dashed. The devastation historic, from downtowns to the mountain villages, too much water in the wrong places.
My closing words are this: stay safe and take care of each other.
And they did. Neighbors helping neighbors. Towns supporting towns. The state stepping in. The recovery and rebuilding underway. Vermont strong.
I know thousands of Vermonters have lost homes, businesses, and more. The devastation is far-reaching. Although the coming days, weeks, and months will be incredibly difficult, we've faced challenges before, and Vermonters have risen to meet the moment. Whether during Irene, COVID, or other hardships, Vermonters have proven time and time again we're willing and able to step up and help our neighbors. We're already seeing that again here, and the spirit of resilience and goodwill will help get us through this challenge.
It seemed the severe weather would never end in 2023. The rain was relentless.
I will continue to remind Vermonters that further precipitation is forecasted for Thursday and Friday that could bring significant additional rainfall. We have to continue to be vigilant and mindful that more flooding is a very real possibility.
When the rain finally did stop, the rebuilding began. Roads repaired, bridges built, the staggering efforts to salvage what was left. State and local recovery programs launched, getting resources to those in need. It was going to be a long recovery. But that routine did not last. It was hard to believe damaging rain returned in 2024, almost to the day. Vermonters faced more flooding, more hardship. Many communities facing a replay of 2023, and new regions hit. More devastation, more loss, more rebuilding and recovery.
Last night was a difficult and dangerous time in the northern two-thirds of the state, and we're working hard to understand the total impact. Our swift water teams made dozens of rescues overnight and facilitated numerous evacuations. We are still in active response mode and have rescues ongoing in the Lyndonville area. We also have extensive work to do in secondary searches in the many communities that were the hardest hit. The work of our teams, as I said, is continuing.
Once again, Vermonters went to work. They knew the drill. Neighbors supporting neighbors. Vermonters supporting Vermonters. Federal, state, and local officials mobilized. The severe flooding of 23 and 24 would define some communities for decades. The future front and center. The hard work continues today. Recovery, rebuilding, resilience. Vermont strong.
Not lost on any of us the irony of the flood falling on the one-year anniversary to the day when many towns were hit last year. I know that only adds to the emotion many are feeling this morning, even those who were not impacted that time around. But we're ready. Our response and tools are only stronger as a result of last year, and we will get through this. The fact is, we're Vermont strong for a reason, and that means those impacted will have many, many all across the state standing with them.